What if I told you the universe you know, the stars, the galaxies, even space and time itself, will one day cease to exist? What happens after everything ends? Where does the final echo of existence go? Today, we journey to the unimaginable limits of physics, philosophy, and time itself to explore the inevitable fate awaiting all of creation. You are watching NetraVerse, where mysteries aren't feared, they are unveiled. For centuries, humanity believed the cosmos was unchanging. Ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle called it the unmoved mover. It wasn't until Edwin Hubble's 1929 discovery that we realized galaxies are fleeing from us, suggesting the universe had a beginning and therefore could have an end. The 1998 discovery of accelerating expansion, driven by dark energy, reshaped our fate. Dark energy, enigmatic and repulsive, constitutes nearly 70% of all cosmic energy. Its behavior will decide the universe's final chapter. The Big Freeze, Big Rip, and Big Crunch remain the leading theories. Let's explore them further. The Big Freeze. In a universe dominated by dark energy, expansion continues forever. Over trillions of years, stars burn out, galaxies drift into isolation, and the temperature falls close to absolute zero. This is heat death, maximum entropy. The Big Rip. If dark energy strengthens, galaxies, stars, planets, even atomic particles are torn apart. Reality itself would unravel, leaving behind a silent, formless void. The Big Crunch. If dark energy weakens or reverses, gravity pulls everything back. All matter collapses into a hot, dense singularity. A second Big Bang might follow, rebooting the universe. Once stars die, black holes will dominate. In about 10 to the power of 40 years, only black holes will remain, swallowing stray matter and merging into colossal giants. But Hawking radiation will cause them to slowly evaporate. Roger Penrose's theory of conformal cyclic cosmology suggests that the ultimate loss of information in black holes could trigger new universes. After the black hole era comes the dark era, an endless, empty expanse filled with dilute particles. Quantum tunneling might create random flashes of activity, spontaneous creation of new universes. Studies suggest vacuum fluctuations could give rise to Boltzmann brains. Thus, even in death, the universe remains a field of infinite possibility. Modern theories propose the death of one universe could seed others. In string theory's landscape, there are 10 to the power of 500 possible vacuum states, each a different universe. Research from Stanford and Princeton suggests our Big Bang might have been just one bubble in an infinite cosmic sea. In this view, our end is merely another's beginning. What if all of this is running inside a colossal computational substrate? If reality is computed, the death of the universe could be a system shut down, a reboot, or the launch of an even greater simulation. MIT's Max Tegmark speculates that advanced AI civilizations could intentionally create or end simulated realities. The true end may lie not in physics, but in decisions made by unseen architects. Ancient traditions echo modern scenarios. In Hindu thought, time is cyclic, endless destruction and creation. In Norse mythology, Ragnarok foretells universal destruction and rebirth. In Taoism, all forms return to the void. Could these ancient visions hint at a deeper cosmic rhythm, one science is only now glimpsing? Philosopher Henry Bergson warned that intellect is unsuited for grasping true change, suggesting perhaps cosmic cycles are beyond rational capture. Could intelligence escape universal death? Physicist Freeman Dyson once speculated, civilizations could adapt endlessly, stretching subjective time to infinity. Modern research on quantum resilience, black hole engineering, and Planck-scale physics hints at remote possibilities. But barring miraculous breakthroughs, life seems fated to extinguish as the universe cools. Even as the universe fades, could consciousness echo into the next great unknown? The end of the universe will be slow, silent, and inevitable, yet endlessly mysterious. It is not annihilation we face, but transformation. From the dust of dying stars to the whisper of quantum seeds, existence dreams on, and somewhere, maybe already, a new universe stirs, waiting, dreaming, becoming. The true end is not darkness, it is metamorphosis. If this journey left you wondering what's possible, explore the cosmic riddles we've already uncovered. What if the moon disappeared? What came before the universe? And unlock the hidden realms. What lies beyond the edge of the universe? Subscribe to NetraVerse, where we travel beyond knowledge into wonder.